Magandang araw po. At nandito po kami with Tita Len. Ayan. Ito po yung parents ni Alan. Ayan. Tita Len. At saka si...
My dad.
Hello. Ito si Noy. Nandito po kami sa Chinatown at bumisita lang yung kanilang parents kay Ellen. At dito po, Sabado po ngayon. Ito, nag-dimsum lang po kami. Ayan.
So it's a nice, they Skype and stuff too, so it's a nice way for them to keep in touch. These are all the way over the phones.
Kilala na po ng daddy ko si Ellen. Kaya...
Yeah, I'm in a lot of their videos.
A lot of the videos.
Sige po.
I feel like they know me already.
Ito po. 1 week before ng aking treatment. Ito lang. Kain-kain lang kami dito. Okay.
Salamat.